Today we're with Tiffany and Jonathan.
They moved back home to Laurel from Pennsylvania with their 2-year-old daughter, and Tiffany's mom passed away kind of recently.
My mom had stage 4 cancer. We moved down here originally just to take care of her. We just fell in love with the community in Laurel.
They really want a Southern styled home.
Traditional.
Yeah. This is Brooke's house. 5,900 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and they're asking $345,000 for it, which is at the top of your budget.
Yeah.
But we have a plan. You could sell your mom's house and put that money toward making this house exactly the house you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love all the shutters.
And that door, really pretty.
Come on in.
Wow, I love how open it is.
The dining room is great.
This house is really well built for a house built in the 80s.
The craftsmanship is what you'd see in a house that's 100 years old.
Wow, it's a lot darker than I expected.
Yeah, it's different than you think it's
is
gonna
dark.
be, right?
Yeah, it looks definitely outdated.
Yeah, I think this island's beyond the island stage. I think it should be called a continent.
Let's go look at the den.
Wow, I love how open it is. I love the built-in cabinets. I've always wanted built-in cabinets.
This is the wet bar, and then this is that closet.
The closet office.
That's,
I feel bad for everyone working in there.
that could be your new office.
Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
The thing that Tiffany and Jonathan really asked for was that we make this house look specifically Southern.
Careful, be careful. The island's obnoxious. The top is amazing. It's solid maple butcher block, and I really want to save it. Tiffany and Jonathan Keith, they've bought a new house. Erin wants to build an antique china cabinet into a wall. The china cabinet that we have is only about this tall,
My size cabinet.
and she wants it to be my size.
I got you.
We're going to build a base that will go under it that will raise it up. So it needs to be a structurally sound piece, something that's gonna hold up a piece of furniture. We'll build a drawer that'll go down in here, Josh.
Yeah.
They can put linens in it or dishes, whatever.
Not bad.
I think Erin's gonna be thrilled.
Candle making time. We've got so much fresh rosemary just growing wild in the backyard. I thought it would be really fun if we do something with it. You wanna pour in some wax? Okay, so you have to have a double boiler so you don't scorch the wax. Some oil, rosemary, orange oil. More rosemary because I don't smell it at all. Okay, I'm just gonna, that's good, I like it. It looks like an exotic drink. Should we go put them in the fridge or something? It's not a bad idea.
Guess who's in the shop today? Will Edwards. Will is Tiffany's brother, and he called me up and said, hey, I'd like to do something special for the house. And I said, come out of the shop, we'll work on something.
I found a picture of me and my mom and my sister. So this was when my sister graduated from Lock Haven.
This is some wood. Your mom was working on a project.
Yeah, she liked to refinish like furniture and stuff.
And we're going to do something for your sister.
I thought it'd be perfect to build a little frame or something.
Velcro mat to wood.
Mm-hmm.
And then glue picture to mat. Look at there.
Looks good.
I feel like we've changed the personality of this house completely. And it was through bold use of color in unexpected ways. Tiffany and Jonathan are moving out of the house that her mama left them. And I think that's gonna be bittersweet for them. But I hope that this makes it worth it.
Welcome to the Keith house.
Oh my goodness.
I love it.
Holy
oh my
cow.
gosh.
That looks so much better.
Beautiful.
It was very formal and a little bit stuffy before.
Yeah.
The goal was to make this house feel more Southern, more grand, make it feel more like you.
Oh my gosh. It's beautiful.
So now your staircase is ready for those amazing family photo moments.
I cannot wait. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh
It looks
my
so
gosh,
good.
the wallpaper.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Okay,
oh
good.
My gosh. Oh my goodness.
It's a strong
beautiful.
choice, but I feel like it's you. I feel like
it's so much fun.
you love color and you love pattern.
Color. I love it. Oh my goodness.
I love the built-in china cabinet. That really
Yes.
looks really good.
We stole the closet from the den to give you a hutch.
It looks so good. I
Yeah.
love it.
And we made you these candles with the rosemary from your garden.
Fantastic. You guys did such a great job. I love it. Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
Is it better?
I love it. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Everything looks amazing.
How you like this coffee table?
Looks like the
You
old
make
butcher block.
that?
Josh and I made this, and
Oh
it is the
my
old butcher block.
gosh.
Yeah.
Very cool.
I love it. It's beautiful. You guys did such a great job. I love it.
There's a picture of you and your mom and Will over there.
I
Yeah,
love
so that picture is actually something that Will and I worked on in the shop.
It makes me cry.
Oh, I wasn't trying to make you cry, I'm sorry.
You really hit everything on the mark. Like, I can't imagine having a better home.
Yeah.
It feels just like us, and I love all the colors, and it just feels like home.